ba siya tulungan? Okay. Kneel. Hey, ma'am, are you okay? Hey, ma'am, okay ka lang ba? Hey, ma'am, okay ka lang ba? The victim is unresponsive. Okay, sir, will you please call the ambulance and please advise to bring AD if available? And back to me while I assist the patient. Okay? Then check the critical pulse and touch and hip. 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The victim has no pulse and has no breathing. I will do CPR. Follow up yung tulong. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, Analyzing heart 3 times, stand clear, and clear, and was clear, but clear. Shock advice in 3, 2, 1. Pindot ng shock button, shock delivered. Continue CPR, give 2 cycles of compression. Then we check. Sinabi ng AED na revive, has pulse and has breathing. Then do the recovery position. Ako ngayon na muna.
Yung lang muna, 1 month period. Yung gila yung tingin ko.
Kalala, ako ko yung CPR sa'yo. Right sa recovery position, taas ang kamay. Malapit sa'yo, ilalayo, lagay dito, paa. Itaas. Pwedeng ganyan. Hawak sa benwang, hawak sa shoulder yung arm. 1 to 3, hinga malalim. 1 to 3. Then do the